In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro plugins. By the end, you'll know how to install a plugin, where to find it on your board, and how to start using its features to speed up your workflow. First, let's install the plugin. Open Miro and head to the marketplace, or click the app's icon in the sidebar. This is your hub for extensions that connect Miro with tools you already use. You can browse by category or type the name of a plugin into the search bar, like Google Drive or Jira. When you find the one you need, click into it and review the description so you understand what it does and whether it fits your use case. When you're ready, click Install. Depending on the plugin, you may see a quick permissions prompt or an on-screen guide. Just follow what appears so the plugin can connect properly. Installation usually finishes in a moment and you're ready to move on. Next, access the plugin inside your board. Open a Miro board and look for the Apps menu or the toolbar along the left side. Newly installed plugins often appear there, and some may be tucked under a More Apps section. If you don't see it at first glance, use the search within the Apps panel to bring it up quickly. When you open the plugin, it will typically load a panel or sidebar. If the plugin supports it, you can keep that panel open while you work, so it's easy to use alongside your other tools. Finally, put the plugin's features to work. Each plugin is a little different, but most follow a simple pattern. For example, a storage plugin might let you browse your files and drag them straight onto the canvas, while a project management plugin could display tasks that you can place, edit, or sync right from the board. Look for buttons or icons within the plugin panel that say things like Add, Insert, or Sync. When you drop content onto the board, you can move, resize, and comment on it just like any other Miro object. If the plugin offers settings or filters, adjust them to show only what you need so your board stays focused. And if you make a change you don't want to keep, remember you can undo it just like any other action in Miro. That's it. Install from the Marketplace or Apps icon, access it on your board through the Apps menu or toolbar, and use the features to bring your favorite tools right into your workflow. Explore a couple of plugins that match your day-to-day tasks, and you'll see how much smoother collaboration can be.